All right, good morning, everybody. It was an amazing day thanks to Meta. Let's do the recap for today. I hasn't done the recap for a while. I'm back in Vancouver office. So Meta is up 21%. And the news is that not only the number of active users and blah, blah, blah went up, actually for the first time it started giving dividend to investors. And Mark Zuckerberg himself, as the majority shareholder, is going to get $700 million just in dividend by himself. But anyways, so we had a really amazing trading day on the Meta and Apple. So Apple also had their earning, and it wasn't great, gapped down a little bit, and really didn't give us a lot of volatility. But Meta today, amazing opening range breakup, and we're going to go through that. And as you see here, we're talking about over $70,000 day on Meta. Okay, so what it is. So how was the Meta? So as you see, again, look at it. We did discuss that in the afternoon yesterday. So really rallied up, and today at the open, it was trading above the VWAP. Came at the open. I made a mistake actually here. Went long below the VWAP, and I got stopped out. And as soon as it came back up with the heavy volume, I went long. I added more for the breakout 462, and then boom, the rest is history. As you see, I should have added. Did I add? I think I added another time. Yeah, I had added two more time heavy on that at 474, and to getting to 486. I had an order for 486, but unfortunately I didn't get filled at 486. So if you want to go to 5-minute chart. So I went long for a 5-minute opening range breakup, added more, and then I still have a little bit, but 486, the high of the day is 485.96, so I didn't get filled unfortunately on that, but I think it's going to go up for the rest of the day. So that was really amazing. So it was just very amazing. So what's the strategy that we traded that? This is called the 5-minute opening range breakup. So even though it closes as a doji, so let me actually say that, even though it closes as a doji, but because the stock was so strong, had this fundamental news stock in play, I took it long, heavy size, and obviously added on that, and as you see, boom, this is exactly what I was expecting to get. Very big size on that, and a lot of traders in the community also traded with the options. Amazing. And as you see here, just a really great move. Apple. Now let's go through the Apple, guys. Wow, Apple bounced back completely. So I had a little bit of Apple left here. So Apple, I took it for 1-minute opening range breakup, even though it was selling off in the pre-market before because of the news. I went long, but didn't get a great entry. I went long, and I continued from 181 all the way up to 183.50, and I still have actually 1,000 shares on that. My average is at 181.14 actually. So that's the average that I have. So yeah, and after that, I had to go. I had a meeting somewhere. Actually, I had to go to sign the contract for the Vancouver event. So as you see here, it just went all the way up to the green. So amazing, guys. The market is amazing. Like, this is just really, really good volatility. These are the days that you have to be strong and very capitalize on these amazing moves, really. And as you see here, just this is the daily chart on Apple, sold off, coming back, and obviously Meta is my favorite chart, capping up and just going up. This might go to 500 very soon, so I might actually hold that and swing that. So the Vancouver event, guys. So the theme of this year presentation is going to be the Mastering Trading Psychology. We have 5 distinguished guests so far. I'm actually trying to reach out to people and ask for people to come. And everybody, all in the team members coming. Avi's coming from Dubai. Lenny's coming from Colombia. He's our senior trader at Peak Capital. And Crede is coming from UK. Dr. Brett Steenbarger is coming from New York City. Stephen Goldstein is coming from UK as well. And Mike Blafure, he's bringing one of his traders also from New York City. So, and so I'd love to see all of you guys. And we have also a discounted hotel soon that we're going to post. And Vancouver is really beautiful in the early April. It's still skiing in the mountains in Whistler, and then in the city is warm enough. The cherry blossoms are out, and it's warm enough to even go into the water. So it's a really interesting time of the year for Vancouver. I love Vancouver. In end of March, April is just my favorite season of Vancouver. All right, guys, I hope that I see as many as you. We are up almost 160 people sign up. 2 months still, 64 days to the event. So I think we have to cap it at 200. So I hope in the last 20, 30 guys you support, and I really appreciate guys for supporting and coming and really helping us to do these events. Thanks guys, and yeah, see you in Vancouver.